Hello and welcome to ICSC Exam Squad. In this video, we are going to practice some of your basic MCQs from your History and Civics chapter, which is Quit India Movement. Without further ado, let's move on. Our first question is on the screen. When did the Congress ministers resign from the post due to British insiders? Is it 1939, 1940, 1935 or 1942? So the correct answer is 1939. The British government tried to put the religious minorities and princes against the Congress, and so as a consequence the ministers resigned. Our second question is the day when the Congress ministers resigned was not observed as which of the following? Is it a day of Thanksgiving, a day of deliverance, a day of mourning, or all of the above? The correct answer is a day of mourning, because the day when the Congress ministers resigned from their post, the day was celebrated as a day of Thanksgiving and a day of deliverance together. So guys, let's move on to our third question, which is when did the Muslim League pass their resolution of demand for the partition of the country? Was it 1939, 1940, 1943 or 1935? The answer is it was 1940 when the Muslim League passed the resolution of demand for the partition of the country into India and Pakistan provinces. Our next question is who became the new Prime Minister of England near 1940s? Was he Lord Linlithgow, Lord Wavell, Emery or Winston Churchill? The answer to this question is Winston Churchill, because after 1940 a change of government took place in Britain and Winston Churchill became the new Prime Minister and Emery took over the Secretary of State for India. Moving on to next question, which is who made the August offer? Lord Wavell, Curzon, Linlithgow or Mountbatten? The correct answer is Lord Linlithgow. He made the August offer. Our sixth question is did Congress, League and the minorities accept the August offer or not? Option says yes, no. Option C, Congress rejected but League and minorities accepted. And option D, which is League accepted but Congress and minorities rejected. The correct answer is no. It was rejected by everyone. Next question is who announced the Cripps Mission? Winston Churchill, Lord Linlithgow, Emery or all of them? The correct answer is Winston Churchill announced the Cripps Mission. Moving on to next question. Question number 8 is when was Cripps Mission came? 1940, 1942, 1945 or 1999? The answer is 1942. Question number 9. Which of the following was not a clause of the Cripps Mission? Granting dominion status to India, setting up of a constituent assembly, the provinces would be free to join Indian Union, or the partitioning the country into India and Pakistan. The answer is option number D. Cripps Mission did not had a clause which says partitioning the country into India and Pakistan. Moving on to the next question. Question number 10. Was Cripps Mission accepted by everyone? Option number A, yes. Option number B, no. Option number C, some section. did accept, and option number D, only league accepted. The answer is no, it was not accepted by everyone. Question number 11. The Quit India resolution was adopted in which of the following sessions of the Congress? Lucknow session, Bombay session, Wardha session or Lahore session? The correct answer is Wardha session. Guys, moving on to our next question, question number 12. Who said this particular phrase, which is to do or die? Lilith Ghosh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru or Mahatma Gandhi? I guess this question is a bit familiar to us. So, yes, the correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 13. Nearly 10,000 people were killed and 60,000 were arrested by the end of 1942 after which of the following movement? Quit India movement, Civil Disobedience movement, Wahhabi movement or Non-Cooperation movement? The correct answer is Quit India movement. Our second last question, guys, which is question number 14. The leaders were dash before they launched the Quit India movement. Fill the blank. Options are deported, killed, arrested or stopped. The correct answer is they were arrested before they launched the Quit India movement on August 9, 1942. And the last question, the Quit India movement was dash. It was launched, oppressed before it started, banned or led by masses. The correct answer is oppressed before it started. Hope you people answered well. Stay tuned to this channel, much more will be coming soon. You may write down your valuable suggestions in the comment box. Till then, bye bye, do like and subscribe. Happy learning people.